Watch, watch, watch. For the world, it's not a plan. Even a man, a franchise the chosen one, the 10-star general. And you know in time me represent, you know, a loud explosion. Each and every time I sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment. Watch. Hear me now, man? Right about now, more and know if some big people or some parent feel like it's too late for say I'm sorry. What do you think? Big people not for say I'm sorry? The world they go say everybody, you know, my virgin. And I'm not special individual it go for, you know. So right now, you know, may I say to Dalton Harris' mother, right now, mommy, it look bad. It look real bad. You know what I mean? For sister, when your son in the final, now you going to come out in the star and come and talk all these things. And the more you talk about it, the more it fall bad for your side, because here what go on now. I don't know if you're not a good friend, not a good family member around you, because them not tell you the right thing. Because I think all you need help to mommy. Because both of you, both Dalton and you used to get abused from the same man where the guy set thump him through the window. Remember, you know, you come out, you know, and make people know, you know, say, you was the one where that tell him, say, him can't walk out in a truck, you know. Sometimes people ignorant and them say them shit there, you know. And them not really, and sometimes people probably say it over and over and them not mean it. But you can't tell the people where you tell that what you believe if you mean it or not. If for that you keep translating to them. You know what I mean? Them don't know if you mean it or that you tell them. And you are say, you think Dalton passed the abuse where the guy thump him through the window because him after him win the Rising Star, him did right, you know, and make you know up on the back of the picture, say him forgive him. Yeah, him forgive him, but him not forget. You know what I mean? And make me tell you something. Emotion is a thing that bring up anything at all. And I just a whole heap of warm welcome him get from the people them in the audience after music. And that blasts up him emotion. You know what I mean? And where inside of him come out. So if you know, say it never hidden nowhere. It never gone nowhere. Because I never went through no therapy, nor nothing like that. As me I say. You know what I mean? Right now, it really look away, you know what I mean? Oh, you come out in the paper and away you say, because you say, well then, you never suffer, you never poor, and them shit there. Alright, say you never poor, you never suffer. But at this money you depend upon, man. At this money you depend upon, you know. You are spending money in your household, you know. And him you depend upon, because if you never depend upon him, you wanna stand up there and watch him abuse your child. Now you wanna take licking at your face from him. Nobody can help themselves take them shit there from nobody. The moment you bring on them things, you have to pack up and leave. And let me tell you something about Jamaican woman, some Jamaican woman. Them take abuse to love. So when the man beat them all talk about, yo, I true him love me, why him beat me? What the fuck him for love you and not beat you? You know, say ignorant, him ignorant. Nah, man. And the same thing with we as parents too. You know what I mean? Sometimes the youth do something wrong. And instead of beat him, you know, you can't hug him, you know, and make him feel shame in himself, you know. Tell him, yo, I don't expect that from you, man. You know, teach you the right thing, that wrong, man, and show him why it's wrong. Talk to him like a real individual and show him why it's wrong. So sometimes, one time, when you're not even in a them present and them all a go on with them things that y'all all a turn up. Him stop immediately because what? Him know that is an embarrassing thing to you, and true you love him so much and as you show him that love and him respect you, him not go try if you do them things there in your present. You know what I mean? And a practice it becomes perfect. You see what I deal with? A real talk me I make. And a lollipop thing. You know what I mean? But by you taking interview, a cry, a stamp up foot and all of them shit there, it not gonna do nothing for you. What you supposed to do, mommy? You should have been call your son instead of you come out with bloggers. You should have called your son, make him know my son will never live a perfect life. But you understand how you grew up because you're a youth who are intelligent and you have sense. And tell them you are just a struggler who will go through. You know what I mean? And everybody go through struggle. And you're sorry, it has to happen that way they feel. But if you could have done better, if you'd have done better, but forgive you. You know what I mean? For all what happened to him. Just because of your fault or the choice of man where you choose or whatever. You know what I mean? But do what you can do. For make it easy if you're not his favorite person in a life. Do what you can do for patch up that shit there between you and him because it hurt him. Both of you need help. Jamaica, the lady need help. I want to stop cuss her help she need. A real talk. Because we know, but nowadays, you know, same like oh, you know, we go for no question, God, you know. We not go for no question our parents, you know. Because if you is a guy who want to hold up argument with your parents or a girl, I beat me your ask a man, slap me your face and hard lick on them thing them on. You know what I mean? Because your parents are going to say, you know, no manners, man. And if you talk to big people, the same thing them want to tell you, man. Well, it's a different world we are living in today, yeah. Them youth are born intellect, yeah. All the baby you give your phone for play with and you can't believe what him find on the phone. Not even you can go in at that. You wonder how him know that. So them youth are go and question what you not do, you know. So all when time we not get ignorant because you know underneath no stress or no problem, we not attack them certain way with certain aggression, you know. You want to know why, you know, why you do that, you know. You have to go answer me, you can just get bigger and vulgar and darker. You must go have up them things inside of him, man. A different time now, man. A different strategy you have to have, man. Not them old pig style, man. No, man. Not them old pig style, you never can have that, man. Some people, you do them that, man. And a father figure in the house, man, and immediately he begins to start act like a woman, man. Because you take away manhood from him, man. You see me, all of them, love them, do them thing there. I beat the youth them and I show off when them see people hard licking at them face and I beat them with this and that. And manhood you take away from him, man. I don't know. You see what I deal with? Because he's not a man. You have to deal with the people them in the right and proper manner. You know what I mean? Some others that don't know, you know. Say you have to get this thing grilled up between you and your son, you know, and a lollipop thing, you know. You know what I mean?
No lollipop thing.
For real.
See where you try to come
Watch. You know what I mean? Yeah. Pick up some money. You see me? Watch.
Why is it tracking number? Your phone number.
Watch. You know the general 10 star anytime I represent, you know, a full effect. And I say Jamaica, the lady need help. She need counseling. Right now she's supposed to call her son and make him know I wish you all the best for win the competition. But when you come home, you have some serious talking to do. And you can't lie to him. You have to admit whatever happened because you and him know what happened. You admit, because you don't owe nobody else nothing, you know. You admit to him whatever happened, the real thing, and you talk to him and you're sorry about it and try to grill up everything. Because let me tell you something, you're not going to get no satisfaction in your life until you under you the grill up on the thing. You hear that? The general, the 10 star wanna represent. Watch, 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 watch.